Bloody Batwings for Halloween, and no, they're not burnt.
I can do that. I could do that. And I did do that. That was 2 years ago. I think it's time for an upgrade. Thanks to Z Grills for sponsoring this video. Check the link in the description below to learn about the buy one, get 10 promotion. Welcome back to another episode of All American Cooking. Today we're taking a 2-year-old recipe and we're giving it a massive upgrade. That's right. Cuso'S Bloody Batwings for Halloween are getting a huge upgrade with the help of some cowboy butter and some lava sauce. You're not going to want to miss this one. Happy Halloween. Let's do this. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, and please subscribe. It really helps this channel out. That's a Ziploc bag containing 6 chicken wings. And that's yours truly, adding some Graza sizzle to said chicken wings. And upgrade number 1 from the old recipe, instead of hot sauce, we're using Cuso'S Lava. Lava is an all-natural, sugar-free sauce made by Chef Cuso. It's a cross between his hot honey rub and his spicy garlic buffalo rub, but in sauce form. It's going to make these amazing, I'll tell you that much. We'll give this a quick slosh around to make sure everybody is fairly evenly coated. And just like last time I made this, I couldn't find regular black food dye, so I've got this black food gel dye stuff. It's really, really thick, not the easiest stuff to work with. Little tiny jar, it's not even half full. I'm just going to add the rest of it in here. There seems to be a lot still stuck to the walls of the jar, so I got this great idea. What if I added a little lava sauce to the jar? Gave it a really, really vigorous shaking, and then poured it in a bag. Well, that worked so well that I decided to do it a second time and a third time. And then another gratuitous slosh around to make sure that everybody is fairly evenly coated. Upgrade number 2 is going to come in the form of some Cuso'S Cowboy Butter. After that brisket that I made with the Cowboy Butter and the Dirt, I absolutely love the way these two play together. So I knew I had to add some to this recipe. Now, it may or may not be important to do this after every step, but I just like sloshing everything around to make sure everybody is fairly evenly coated. Then after the cowboy butter, you knew we had to come in with the dirt. I just opened this one, and it just smell that. Do you smell that? Oh, this is one of my favorite seasonings of all time. All natural, no fillers, no additives, no seed oils. This stuff is just the best. We're going to go a good amount in there. And then another gratuitous slosh around to make sure that everybody is fairly evenly coated before we try to squeeze all the air out of this thing and zip it up, throw it in the fridge for the next 3 hours. Oh, has it been 3 hours already? Man, time flies. Anyway, I've got a tray lined with foil there because I don't want to ruin my tray with all this black stuff. And we're going to ruin the foil instead. Notice I got gloves on. This stuff will stain your hands. So get some gloves, glove up, pull those things out of that bag. Oh, just look at that. It's just, I mean, it's not the prettiest looking thing, I know. But they taste good. They smell amazing. The smell is just holy S. They're not even cooked yet, and it smells awesome. So let's line these kids up on this tray. And last I checked, bat wings are not blue, they're black. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of this marinade over those blue spots and make it not so blue. And this part is optional, but not really. I'm going to get these guys again with a little dusting of the cowboy butter and another light dusting of our dirt rub. Oh, these two play so nicely together, the cowboy butter and the dirt. I mean, you saw that brisket, and if you didn't, subscribe, go check that video out. The smell is just incredible. So we're gonna get these out onto the smoker and get them cooking. Okay, the Z Grills is preheated. It's not a video unless I drop something. The Z Grills is set for 300 degrees. It is preheated. We got hickory and oak on there. And, we got to give it a little spray down with some Graza Frizzle spray. Because we don't want anything sticking. Now we'll get those wings onto the grill. We'll close her up and let those cook for about 45 minutes or so. And then I'll flip them over, cook for another 45, and we should be good. Upgrade number 3 is our sauce. I've got a half stick of butter melting over medium heat in a small pan. To that, we're going to add a couple teaspoons of spicy garlic buffalo and about the same amount of Cuso'S hot honey. We'll give that a little swish around while that butter continues to melt. And I've got about a half bottle of that lava sauce left. Yep, we're just going to dump the whole thing on in there. And then for the sake of the camera, I'm using my left hand to whisk this together until the butter is melted all the way, and I'm not left-handed, so you can see it's not working so well for me. And once the butter is melted, we'll turn the heat down to low and continue to whisk for a minute or so, and then turn it off and let it cool off so we can bottle it. Let's give that sauce a taste real quick, shall we? The lava, the spicy garlic buffalo, the hot honey, and a little bit of butter. Oh, that's gonna just... We are definitely upgrading this recipe. Speaking of upgrades, time to upgrade your kitchen, particularly your spice cabinet. Right now, Cuso'S is running a special on a build-your-own 6-pack of spices. You get 12% off when you build your own 6-pack. Now, what does build your own 6-pack mean? It means you get to choose any 6 spices that you want and put it together in one bundle. They call it the 6-pack. Now, it doesn't have to be different spices. Say you really love the way that dirt and cowboy butter play nicely together, so you just want 3 dirt and 3 cowboy butter. You can do that. Maybe you want a dirt and a cowboy butter, and you saw the way that the hot honey and the spicy garlic buffalo played together, and you want a couple of those. Hey, you do you, boo. You want to go a little further than that? Maybe you want to get your hands on some Southwest Sand or some Cajun Explosion. Whatever you want, you build your own 6-pack, you save 12% right away, right now at CusoCuts.com. Not no math and equation wizard, but I do know that 12% when you build your own 6-pack, that's a good chunk of money you're saving. And if you decide not to save the money and build your own, you get one of those pre-made ones, 2 free seasonings on top of that. That's 8 seasonings that you get. And that's no fillers, no additives, no seed oils, all natural, delicious seasonings. I mean, come on. Spicy garlic buffalo. Smell that. You smell that? Can you... As soon as you open one, you can smell how fresh it is. Smell the difference. You can taste the difference. You gotta smell this one. The Cajun Explosion. Oh, take me back to New Orleans, baby. Check the link in the description below. Right now, CusoCuts.com. Build your own 6-pack, save 12%. Get a pre-made 6-pack, get 2 free. How you gonna beat that? All right, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's give these kids a flip, shall we? Oh, the smell. Oh, it smells amazing. Bit of stickage. After we flipped our wings, we'll let them sit there and cook for another 30 to 35 minutes. And about 25 minutes later, these kids are done. Let's get them off. The smell is amazing. Oh, they're just falling apart. Oh, that smell is so good. Wow. All right, let's plate. Oh, I wish you could smell this right now. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yeah. Herman. And there is your bloody Batwings for Halloween. They smell absolutely insane, and I can't wait to eat one. I know they look a little sus, they look burnt, but we know they're not. Yep, we're gonna want to glove up for these. The smell. Cowboy Butter and Dirt. I mean, just one more time, just to freshen it up. Get these wings nice and bloody. Oh. Yeah. Let's see if this really was an upgrade from the old recipe. We already know it's gonna be, but I mean, it looks like a burnt wing, but it's not. It's not at all. Oh, look at how tender. Look at that. Oh, yeah, we didn't need that bone. Dip it in a little bit of the sauce. And you got your bloody Batwings for Halloween. Cheers. Don't eat boring food. It's going to be hot, isn't it? Massive upgrade. Holy S. Sorry, I'm going to get a little caveman on you now. Here the crispy skin. Oh. Well, what did we learn today, kids? We learned that we can take a 2-year-old recipe and we can upgrade the hell out of it. Between the Z grills, pellet smoker, and the new products from Cuso'S on top of the dirt, now with the cowboy butter, and instead of the good old hot sauce, we added lava. Oh. Okay. Sorry. I gotta end this here because the sauce has a little bit of bite. Lava by itself is pretty damn good. Mixing it with that butter, the spicy garlic buffalo, and a little bit of the hot honey. Ooh, got a touch of sweetness. Got a good amount of kick. And then the dirt, we already knew the dirt is amazing. And we knew from the brisket that the dirt and the cowboy butter, they really play nicely together. Happy Halloween. Don't eat boring food. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what else you want to see me make. Tell me you've tried some of my recipes and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Subscribe, please subscribe. That helps this channel out tremendously. Also, clicking the links in the description below this video. Great way to support me. Head over to CusoCuts.com. Head over to Z Grills. Get in on the buy one, get 10 promotion. Check out my Amazon store for everything else that I use, including these guys. And we'll see you next time. All American Cooking. Bye-bye.